Everyone is afraid of something. For example, that someone is watching them. No, that's crazy. What a suspicious owl. What if the eyes are secret cameras? And now I'm being watched by an intelligence agency? Oops! Looks like I've been declassified. How did she know? The fear of surveillance is a common one. It's a beautiful summer day. Nature is coming to life, and with it, little insects everywhere. There's something under my shirt. Is that a bug? A fly? Or even a wasp? Come out, you evil bug! Ah! It's just a tag on the clothes. A calm night? It was, but it looks like a spider took over the territory. Get out! Tony, look, it's huge! And my fear makes it look even bigger. Don't worry about it. This spider spray will kill it in a second. Oops! Nothing happened. Now there's one more arachnophobe in the house. Call a realtor right now. We are moving. There he is. He's not scared at all? Why would I be scared of my business partner? Oh, I see. There's obviously some secret arrangement between the realtor and the spider. A snack is always a good idea. How's your diet? Oh, right. I meant to be losing weight. This young woman is scared of everything, but she is the most scared of gaining extra pounds. This is terrible. If you can't fix the situation, you have to look at it from another angle. I like that result way better. Let's celebrate. Internet dating is always Russian roulette. What if she turns out to be, not my type? All I know about her is what her shoes look like. It's a little scary. Oh no! Looks like our meeting was a bad idea. What's that? I like these shoes a lot better. It's a sign! Oh. Looks like I just got the girls mixed up. Wow, I'm so sleepy. I'll just finish the chapter. Don't sleep. Don't sleep. Don't. The books make your imagination act up. Wait, what is this? A robbery? No! This is a kidnapping! Where are you taking me? Let me go! Phew, I think I'm safe. No more reading before bed. Some portraits look so realistic, they seem like they are alive. Must be my eyes playing tricks on me. Or not? No, he's definitely watching me. Van Gogh, stop staring. This sounds like paranoia. It's a beautiful day for a walk, as long as you don't notice someone's watching you. Wait, really? A fear of stalking doesn't do you any good. I think I've seen her somewhere before. Phew, at least I'm safe at home. I can relax. That's naive. Hey! It's time to get to know each other. What's she thinking? Oh, those makeup salespeople will even follow you home. You can't hide from us. Jenny has another problem. She is terrified of escalators. What if I start coming down and my dress gets stuck? You just have to take the first step. There you go. No, this is too scary. My knees are shaking. There's got to be a regular staircase here. Nature's mystery. Why does it always seem like something weird is going on in the house whenever you are showering? Did the door slam? There must be robbers in here. Armed and dangerous. Look out, thieves! So Tony will show you who's boss. Hey, Hey, who's there? Phew, I thought I saw something. Homemade food. What could be more delicious? Switch to Master Chef mode. Let's start by slicing vegetables. This pepper looks just like Uncle John. It's exactly the same face. How can I unsee that? What's next? Add some coffee. Oh my gosh! Another face! This is weird. At least there will be no surprises in the carrots. Okay, flour. Once you see a face in an inanimate object, you start seeing them everywhere. Breathe, Tony. Breathe. My boyfriend's staying at work late. I'll call him. Did he reject it? All right, he's definitely on a date with someone else. He declined it again? Oh, and one more time? Now that's definitely evidence of cheating. You better watch out. Fortunately, there is nothing to be worried about. He's just buried in work. Just a few more minutes and the contract will be in the bag. Sorry, hun, I'm a bit busy right now. Every detail is important. Every number. As long as the deal doesn't blow up. And here comes the main threat. An angry girl. I called you so many times. What, is it hard to pick up the phone? How often do you have fights here? Looks like the deal has been called off. Oops! You should have told me you were at work. Sensitive people like Tony better not watch videos about animals, especially movies about snakes. Oh no! It's already here! It's an anaconda! Oops! That's just my sock. And who's under the pillow? Just a belt. He is ready to snap. Here comes Jenny. It's not so scary to watch it together. Jenny's not afraid of snakes, and Tony's dirty sock is nothing but smelly to her. But Jenny didn't choose the best hairstyle today. Oh, he asked me out. Okay, I'm on my way. Water! I didn't turn off the water! I have to go back home. Second attempt. Wait, did I turn off the kettle? So I don't have to worry, I'll take it with me. Hey, what about the keys? Even the happiest couples fight sometimes. But this time, it went too far. Is it really that serious? After a hard breakup, some people develop a fear of loneliness. Oh, it's me, but from the future. Okay, don't lecture me. Call him back. Good luck. Hello, honey? I think I overreacted. It's that elevator again. Oh, how creepy. Are you sure I won't get stuck? Can I come out? It's too late. The doors are closed. Oh no. Some phobias are so strange that… Oh no! Not the bridge! It's going to collapse right underneath us. No, look how strong it is. I can't handle this. A new phone! I'll take care of you forever! Dirty screen? No way! Let me give you a bath. No more dust. Oops! Just don't break! Just don't break! Oh no! Phew! It's just a hair! My baby! You scared me so much! Are you afraid your reflection is living its own life? Don't worry, you are not alone. I'm seeing things. Apparently, my reflection is in a very playful mood today. In a dark, dark room, I'm finally alone. This guy clearly doesn't want to be seen. He's getting nice and comfortable. Tissues, some oil. Oh, I got it. Well, of course, at the most important moment, his girlfriend enters the room. Jenny, it's not what you think. I'm just learning to be a masseuse. Online lessons and stuff. You don't believe me? Take a look for yourself. And this is a special oil for massages. Okay. Did you like our sketches about phobias? Are you familiar with these situations? What are you afraid of? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you don't miss any new videos about strange phobias on Troom Wow!